Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we finalized our tag helpers. Now we going to continue with the user edit image implementation. Let's have collapse all of them and reopen again. So area users, controllers and user controller. Let's again collapse all of them. All right, it's been a while because and I don't remember what I've done here. Let's have a look quickly. So we find the user and we validate first and we did the password check. If everything is all right, so if there is a password, we're going to change it. And if there is a file, we save it and we just in case we keep in all file and perfect. And there is a mistake here, guys. I need to update here. If there is a error uploading photo, we have to roll back this password change because we can't do that. We can't do that. So all of them is okay or not. If it's not, roll back everything. Okay, let's continue here and let's make a comment this side. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's make a command line here. And let's add our image helper now. Private read only I image helper. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Add the parameters. Perfect. It's done. So we're going to add another if here. Yeah. I'm looking to have a quick look. Okay. I'm gonna take them back again. Okay. All right. If no, first we're going to do stream var image await image helper dot upload image and request photo and the type is image type. Oh, here we go. But I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna add this namespace to the upside. Control dot using this enumerator dot. We're going to use the identity and the folder name is going to be null, which is going to be created in our helper. All right, perfect. So what's gonna happen if we have an image error? So if someone trying to add a text takes their file instead of a JPEG file, so we have an error. It means we have an error. So we need to roll back what we done previously. Error. If it's not null, so we going to so it is failed, so we don't have any photo. It's not, there is no streaming photo. So we need to roll back. So we have a rollback here. So if because passport is not null, so if it's null, it's no problem anyway. So but if it's not null, so it's already been changed, and we need to roll back password here, and now return our view here again. So we don't go further because there is an error. We don't go further to update user and the other things. Alright, okay. So it must be work now. Okay, now if we have an image, so we need to add our image. So let's change those. Image dot file name and file type is request photo dot content type. I guess content type, yeah. Alright, it's the file type. Perfect. And anything else do we need to add? So if there is no photo, the other side going to work. Yeah. Let's continue. User update, user manager. Yeah, we made a user update. If user update is not succeed, No, there is a mistake, guys. Yeah, file name. If succeed. Yeah. Thank God we are able to see that because it's gonna take too much time to find out why we getting error. Okay, if it succeed, we going to have a look. Is there any photo? If yeah, if we have a photo, we're going to check it. Old file name is null. If it's not null, so we have a previous image, so we're going to delete the image. Let's delete it now. Image helper dot delete image. So we need a image name, so it's going to be old file name. Perfect. So yep. If there is no photo, it doesn't matter. We go through with these methods. And if it's not succeed, let's go again. Request file name if it's not null. So we try to add, we change our password. We add a new image, but user update is failed. So we're going to roll back them. Let's delete image, but not the old file name. This time request file name because we're going to roll back. And request password if it's not null, so we're going to roll back it again. Perfect. It must be run now. Let's have a try quickly with dashboard index within browser. All right. We have a default user settings. Now I'm gonna choose a just a PNG because we only accept GPG and JPG and JPEG. Let's try an false one. Oh, sorry guys. Let's add our password and hold on, let me close that notification. All right, let's try now. Oh my God, wrong password. Okay, what was our password? I always forget my password. Caps lock off, password 12 star. All right, so what happened now? We need to debug it. All right, we return view. So something happened. Oh yeah, I know what's happened. The thing is, when we enter the wrong password, the chosen file is gone, so it just accept everything. Okay, all right. Let's type again. Password 12 star, and let's add a block. Save changes. Nothing happened. As you can see, nothing happened. Perfect. We it's a better way. We need to debug it. Let's work with the debug because I didn't implement our notification yet, so we can't able to see what's happening in the backside. So let's debug here and let's see what's happening right now and open our yeah, database, and we can see what's happening in our database as well. All right, perfect. Now I'm gonna add any unsupported file. No, this is JPEG, sorry. Unsupported file, where is it? Is there anyone? That's PNG is okay. Password 12 star. Alright, let's debug it now. We found the user. Yeah, we found the user. The name is test. Validation is all good. Password check is alright. Wrong password. Ah, okay, again. Password 12 star. Choose file PNG. Save changes. Hopefully we're going to pass the password check this time, guys. All right, we passed. Is there any new password? No, we just passed this. Old file name and old file type is going to be empty, not null, but it's empty. Okay, if request the photo is null, it is not null, so we going in it. Okay, the image. So we have an error here. So please only upload JPEG or JPEG files. All right. If image error is not null, so we going inside. Request for is that did we request a new password? No. So just return me. Perfect. It's working now. Let's continue all of them. All right. Now, what was the other one? Let's add a picture now. Password. Password. Want to start. Choose a file. Let's do it again with the wrong picture with a new requesting a new password. Okay. Password. Want to start. Password. Want to start. Okay. Let's save changes now. Now, oh, sorry. Okay, all right. So we have user validation is all good. Password check all good. Do we have a new password? Yep, we have a new password. Is it succeed? Yep, succeed. And now password is changed, guys. Now we going forward. Do we have a photo? Yeah. Is there an error? Yeah, we have an error. So we're going to roll back the new password to the old password. Okay. So if request password, we have requested password. All right. We change everything. And we roll back and we here. Nothing happened again. Just all we change the password and we roll back it. All right. Now the next one is let's type password 12 star. It's the old password. And let's add a JPEG. Where is a JPEG? This is a JPEG. Okay. Let's edit now. Alright, validation is perfect. Password check is done. Don't have any password. Request photo is not null. We created our photo. Have a look here. Images, user, and this is the user for 645. Alright, so we continue. Request file name. This is the path. This is the file type. And we going to update our user. If it succeed, we going in. Photo is not null. Old file name is not null. Oh, there is a mistake. So our old file name was empty. So we should have changed this with the string empty or null, I guess. So it's going to delete now. Yeah, this is a mistake, but didn't delete it. All right. All right. We have an old file name is empty, but this is empty, so it couldn't delete it anyway. But just in case this is a mistake, old file name is not null, but it's empty. It's all right. We can change it string empty and null, and it's better. We have a better solution, but it's working right now. Okay, let's continue. And everything is done. Let's continue now. So we have a new picture. All right, perfect. Now let's change the picture. All right, and let's change the picture. All right, let's change the picture. Password, want to star, choose file, another JPEG, and let's add a new password now. Want to star. One, two, star, star. Oh my God, wrong password. Password, one, two, star, star. Pass, one, two, star, star. This is my challenge, I guess. Yeah, this is different. Okay, you can see. This is my challenge, really. Password, one, two, star, star. Hopefully it's going to be okay now. Let's save changes and have a look here. All right. Validation is done. Password check is done. Password has been changed. And photo is not null, so we stream it. There is no error. Continue. Yeah, now we're going to expect the previous photo is going to be deleted. So we have a photo, old file name is not null, and it's going to be deleted. Yeah, it's gone. And continue. Perfect. So this is the new picture. All right. Now, is there any chance to get a failure with the user? So we can use the same username or same email name with another user. So it makes us a failure, I guess. Okay, to make this things guy, let's go to the what's our login page? Do you remember login? No. Let's close it now and let's create a new user. I'm going to try one more thing and I'm going to finish this lesson because we are ready to go now for the further instructions, and I'll just need to find Authentication controller. Yeah, sign up. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Authentication. Sign up. All right. Even browser. I'm going to create another user. Test for email. Just random. One, two, star, star. All right. Create account. Ah, my God. This is my challenge. Really. One, two, star, star. One, two, star, star. Oops. All right, it's done. Okay. Now let's go back our normal user. One, two, star. Oh my God. Started again. One, two, star, star. All right, perfect. Now we are in the admin. We're going to go user. All right, user settings. Now I'm going to change my username as a test4. All right, and I'm going to add a new password. One, two, star. One, two, star. And I'm going to add a new picture anyway. Yeah. And my existing password is password one, two, star, star. Hopefully I did everything correct. Let's save changes now and see what's gonna happen now. Alright, validation is done, password check is done, request new password, alright, is done. We have a new password now, and request photo, yep, we don't have any error, so it's done. We have a new images. Let's continue. File name and tab has been assigned and user is mapped. Now we're going to have a look user update. Is it going to be done or not? And this is failed. Duplicate username. So we have a fail. So we need to roll back everything what we done. So if it's not succeed, let's continue. request file name if it's null or null. This is null, so we're going to delete it and it's gone. Let's have a look. We have only one user picture and new password is going to be rollbacked. Yeah, it's done. And here we go. So what's the problem now? All right, yeah, our tag helper now crashed because we couldn't see our. So what might happen? These things. Let's make a refresh now. No, cancel. Let's go dashboard. Yeah, it's crashed now. Uh, I'm just thinking what might. By the way, the username is why still test 4. Let's have a look again. So we have test. Did we log in with the test 4? Oh, there is a big mistake here. We log in again with the wrong person. Look, email address is different. We don't have any phone number, so we don't have. So why we don't have any picture? Because the cookie is confused. All right, totally, we have a problem here. Let's have a look. So we have signed in and out. Which user? Have a look quickly. Okay. Let's try one more time and I'm going to see again what's happening. Let's inspect application. Look, we locked in both of them. Let's delete all of them. All right, close now. And we're still in debugging mode. Let's log in. Test lesson, Gmail. What was our password? Is password 12 star? I guess. I guess so. Yeah, perfect. Now let's go to the users. All right, user setting. As you can see, nothing changed. Everything is working. But the thing is, when we log in, and there is a mistake. Let's make it test 4 again. Nothing is going to be changed. I'm gonna just try all of them. Let's do everything again. Same. 12 star star. 12 star star. 12 star. Choose a file and a JPEG. Alright, let's save changes now. Let's have a look slowly now. Okay, validation is done, password check is done. Password change is done. Photo is created, perfect. Now user is not succeed. Yeah, let's have a look our user now. User does fail, mapped user. Map user is what we requested. Map user. Username. Let's have a look. Test 4. This is what is requested. The user is test 4. The request is. So why user is test 4? This mapping has problems, I guess. This mapping has a really problems because it's taking user with test 4 again. It's really interesting. Why is sending test 4? What's the request? Request is test 4. Have a look. This is password. For this is file name. These are updated because we are updating the request. Alright. By using a y become. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Let's continue. Okay, let's close it. Let's log in again. This time more slower. Oops. Password 12 star. Oh my god. Password 12 star star. Oh my god, we changed it. Okay, alright. No problem. We interrupt our project, that's why it's interrupted. Okay, alright. Sorry. This is the project, yeah. Alright, guys. Now the problem is again. Here we go. Password 12 star star. Password 12 star. Password 12 star. Choose file and a JPEG. Alright. Now save change again. Now have a look much more slowly. Okay, our request is going to be test for perfect. We're going to find our user, which is test. Alright. This mapping is problem, I guess. This mapping is really, really problem. I'm not gonna use this kind of mapping. So let's have a look. This is user, test. When it's done, map user, test for request, test for user is test for. Nah. Okay, all done. I'm gonna change this mapping. So, I'm gonna bring app user here and request. Now it's better, I guess. By the way, I interrupted the thing. The project is, we have a corruption here now. So just delete it. Delete. Yep. We have 534, I guess. Yeah, okay. Alright. Let's try one more time. Hopefully it's going to work now. How many minutes it's been done? 28 minutes. It's alright. You get used to my videos are long anyway. Okie dokie. Yeah, here we go. Alright. And let's log in now. We're in browser. Password is password 12 star star or I don't remember. Oh my god, it's wrong again. Password 12 star. Alright, here we go. Let's go user and user settings. Let's make it test 4 and our password is password 12 star. Password 12 star star. Password 12 star star and new file. Is there any JPEG? No, not that one. Take this one. Alright, save changes. Let's continue. All right, validation is done. Let's have a look. User is test. Password check done. Password has been changed. Have a look here. Picture has been created. We need to assign file name. All done. We need to map now. All right. It's mapped now. It's test for, but have a look. User is test. That's what I want. Okay. Perfect. Let's continue now. If user succeed, is it? No, it's failed. So we go back to the request file name. So we're going to delete it. Have a look. It's gone. And the password is gone as well. Uh, yeah, this is all password and continue. And we are the same place and nothing has been changed. But still we have test for it. Doesn't matter what it is. But if you want, we can bring our current data. How can we do it? So we have our user in our hands. We can map it to the again to the user edit v model, and if you want, yeah, we can do it, and we can use our return. This is return view, and we have a return view here again, and here again, and here again, here again. Okay, all right. So this is validation. It's not, yeah, it's not problem because we have a error messages. There's a password check problem. If there is a problem with the password, yeah, we have a failed password anyway, so it doesn't matter. New password. If there is a failure, return view. We just going to get a toaster notification. This is not important. All right, the important thing, this is the one. Actually, if even if we add something different, we're going to return. Yeah, we can edit our mapped our request anyway. So let's do it. Uh, Mapped alt user. Let's reverse it now. Mapper edit user. Sorry guys. Map. Perfect. Now all done. I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna send this to the view. And here. Is there any place? No. No, I'm not gonna debug it. Let's try one more time. Let's stop it and start it again. Let's type user here. Here we go. So we have everything here. For let's make it 111, whatever it is. Okay, password 12. What was it? Star star. All right. Uh, Password 12 star. Password 12 star. Hopefully it's going to be okay. Save changes now. Wrong password. Oh my god. When it comes to wrong password, see we have here. Where's the wrong password? Check password, wrong password. Okay. So I'm gonna bring it again. I'm gonna use all of them here. No, should I? Yeah. No, not that one. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, here we go. Alright, let's try it one more time. Swimming browser. If it's not well, I'm just delete it. All right. Now let's go to user. Okay, test 4, 111, whatever it is. Password 12 star. Password 12 star star. Password 12 star star. And choose a file. Again, we have a problem here, so we're going to get refused by the update. So what we're expecting, we're going to get back all the information again here. We couldn't get back them. Why we couldn't get back them? Just type the password here now. Alright, we couldn't get back them. Now have a look our user edit CSHTML. Admin, no, not that one. This is root. Authentication. Admin. Alright, we have a user edit here. So why wouldn't we get our existing previous informations here? Controller. This is a post method. This is user edit view model and return view mapped all user. I'm just looking, yeah, user. Okay, mapped all user. Let's start with the debugging mode again, and I would like to see what we have here. Oh, debug. Yeah, perfect. And let's go to user settings, test 4, password 12 star star. Save changes. Okay, user test. Every detail we have here, phone number, alright, map out user. Yeah, we have here as well. Password check is, wow, we failed with the password check. Yeah, we have a test 4 again. Wrong password. Let's type again wrong password. Alright. And F10. So we don't have. Alright, we have wrong passport. Return with. Why we couldn't get this information? User edit page. User edit page. User test. User edit view model has been sent. Let's put it here one more time. Return view. When we return view. Alright. Let's do not return view here. Okay. I'm not gonna return view. And I don't need it to do it, I guess. I'm gonna delete it. It's not working anyway. I'm gonna redirect to user edit again. It's much better, I guess. What do you think, guys? Is that work? Let's try here. We have a password check. Why? Okay, return redirect to name of user edit. Let's try with the password check. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, yeah, it might be work. It might work. All right, let's go to the user. Oops, what happened? Where's our picture? What happened? Did we interrupt something? User default. Why default is not working? So because we have, oh, we accidentally delete the picture, I guess. That's we have problem here now. Let's delete those two. Now it's going to be okay. Yeah, all right. User settings. Doesn't matter. It's all right. Let's make it test 4. No, it's going to be test. Doesn't matter. Just type in something different because we're going to enter a wrong password. All right. Save changes. Yeah, here we go. We have the existing information. Perfect. Now I'm going to change all of them with the, this command line. All right. And here we go. And here we go. Perfect. Okay, guys. I'm still waiting to finish our identity library completely. Then I'm going to make a lesson which is going to be about the refactoring, and I'm going to take lots of command line service layer, so it's going to work much better, and our controller will be much more easy to read. Okay, all right, let's finish this lesson here. It's already been, oh my god, 42 minutes. Sorry about that, it's been quite long. And see you on next lesson, guys, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.